Not all food products can be packaged the same way. Product size, shape, texture, and flow characteristics all influence machine selection and packaging performance. In this example, we are looking at an automatic vacuum pouch packaging system commonly used for IQF products, frozen foods, chilled foods, and other temperature-sensitive applications. Whether products are packaged before freezing or packed after IQF processing, selecting the correct feeding and packaging technology is critical to product quality and operational efficiency. Unlike standard packaging lines, this system can be configured with different feeding technologies depending on the product entering the pouch. Maintaining product orientation is important for presentation, package appearance, and repeatable loading during automated production. Some products require accurate handling of sauces, marinades, and suspended particles. In these applications, different filling systems are selected based on product characteristics. Products containing large particles, chunks, or viscous ingredients often require filling technologies specifically designed to maintain dosing accuracy and product integrity. Once the product is loaded, the machine automatically picks, opens, fills, vacuums, and seals the pouch in a continuous packaging cycle. Vacuum packaging removes excess air from the pouch, helping improve package presentation and supporting shelf life requirements for many food products. One packaging platform can support multiple product categories simply by adapting the feeding and dosing technology to the application. This flexibility makes automated vacuum packaging suitable for IQF products, frozen meats, seafood, poultry, prepared foods, sauces, and many other value-added food products. As demand for frozen and convenience foods continues to grow, many manufacturers are investing in automated packaging systems to improve consistency, hygiene, and production capacity. At PAB Manufacturing Solutions, we help manufacturers identify the right packaging technology based on their product, production targets, and packaging requirements. With offices in Indonesia, China, Singapore, and Ghana, PAT supports food manufacturers across emerging and established markets worldwide. For more information, contact PAT Manufacturing Solutions.